Hello, today we will discuss about proving a sine law of a triangle. So first, draw a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle that have no sides that have equal size or equal length. So for instance, like this. So you can see that the length of this side and the length of this side and the length of this side is different. You may hard to figure out that if this side is smaller or bigger than this side, but the fact that the fact is this side is smaller than this side. You can make a calculation if you want, but that's will be make our tutorial more longer. So after you draw a triangle, a scalene triangle, then next label each side, its angle. So for instance, this I call A, that we call A, and this we call B, and this is we call C angle. So angle A, angle A, angle B, and angle C. And after that so we need to write labels, name your angle, and then the third step is name your sides. So this is will be another S like that. Label sides always label sides that opposite to an angle as that angle. So this side is opposite to this angle. So this side is called A. So give a name to this side A, and if you want, you can change your font type for like this to the picture that this is a side label, and move to another side, this side, so it will look better if we do some brush here to make clear explanation. So this side AC, it makes no difference, right? How about we change this color, so red color. So here, okay, now this side is in front of or opposite to angle B, so this side name is, this side we call B, and change the color. And this side, the last one side that opposite to C, so this side we call C. So now we have finished the third steps. So this is steps. So next is draw a line. I hate an 8 lines to help you find the formula, the sine formula, the formula of sines of all the angles. So give a name like maybe H or X. You can define it with H maybe, and and so at the manual the step at the main step, draw a night line, call it H or X as you like. Okay, next, so we need to back to our previous let's see the console right now. Yes, use this Sony code. That now we define, so next is define. Now define all the sine formula for its angle. So start from angle A sine A is equal what? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? So I will make a note, this note, sine is equal opposite over hypotenuse, right? Sine of an angle, for instance angle A is opposite over hypotenuse, dot. So sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. So what is the opposite of the sine A? Is the opposite of the sine A is H, right? Side H. So see this side opposite is side, I mean, so this is side and this is a side, not an angle. So let's continue to our, so H over C, and then we continue to B. We cannot define B right there, so we define that as a 3 dot. So next we go to sine C. We know that sine C the opposite side, the sides that opposite to C is the edge. That's why the function of this 8 line. So we can define a sine formula. You can we get 8 from this from the 8 line H. So get back to the sine C. The opposite is H, when the hypotenuse of C is A. So sine C is equal H over A, H over A. So now step 6, convert all the sine formula to X as X. So this is, we need to define, this is step 5, right? And now we go to step 6. 6 is, and make a space from the step 5 to step 6, and define that. No, this is not X, so sorry, this is not X. We use variable H right in here. We use H right instead of X, so convert sine from as H, and also we define H not X as the name of our beloved 8 line, our precious 8 line here. So we continue to step 6, convert all the step 6 formula into as H. So H is equal sine A of times C, and sine B still we cannot define, so left that with 3 dot. So next is sine C is, so in sine C, H is equal to sine C times A, right? And then Step 6, give a name, give number to the formula of, step 6 of sine. So step 6, step 7 I mean. So step 7, we need to define all this. So we need to type all these the formula again from the formula again of this step 6. So it go like this. So 1, so sine b is equal, so h equals sine c times a is equal, so maybe 1 2, yeah. So also this will be 1 1, sorry, yes, 1 1, yes. So it goes like that. Step 7 for step 7. And now the step 8, the step 8 is associate the formula number index 1 1 2, formula index 1 2. So it goes like this. Step 8. Okay, so formula 1 1 here, this, and formula 1 2 this. So it will become like this. Alright, if you confuse how to make this, to associate the 1 1 and 1 2, I'll explain. This is h, right? H is equal to sine AC, and also h is equal to sine C times A. So sine A cross C is also h. So h here is also sine A cross C. So that's our step 8. So step 9 is modify a little bit the formula step 8. So it goes like this. So step 9, we will make the sine A is divided by A is equal to sine C is divided by C, right? Yes, we can make that. We can do this. So now we have sine A over A and sine C over C. What about sine B? So sine B, we need to find the sine B, we need to just a little bit like this. So we move all the legends labels to the place where the next to the side. So B goes like this, and C and A goes to the up to there, so like that, and C become like this, become like this. Zip. So also this is also changed. So also the side also changed like this, man. So select again, in front of angle A is side A, no? Right? And in front of B is side B, right? And in front of angle C is side C. So it goes like this. Now you're done. You make a new triangle, right? So you can define by sine B is H over C, right? It's H over C. So next we continue. Sine B is equal H over C, right? So what we can do to make this enter into our step 9 formula? We cannot do anything, since the form um uh, the step is need another touch, so another step, I mean, so sine c, so continue, or so move on to h over b, so like that. Sine c here is of h, here is h over b, right? Alright, so now develop this as h is equal sine c, sine b times c, right? And develop this as h equals sine c times b, right? So enlarge the formula, so it goes like that. So we change that, so now we can make association. So sine b times c is equal sine c times b, right? So enlarge the formula here, or maybe can we can make this sine c over b. So like that, 11 maybe, right? So sine b, so sine b is equal h over c, h is equal sine b times c, sine c is equal h over b, h over is equal sine c times b. So sine b times c, sine b times c, sine b times c is equal sine c times b. We do the step like step 8, step like 8 to the second triangle here, and then we modify this, it becomes sine b over b times sine c over c, right? C goes to right and b goes to left, but change the side, but change the sign, so sine b goes to left, become multiply, division, and sine c goes to right and become division. So it become like this. So now we have sine b over b and sine c over c. We have a representative here to represent sine b over b to this formula. So we now have complete formula. Sine c over c is also equal sine b over b. So sine b over b. So if you see the order, sine b is the last, so we need to reorder this equation. So the equation will be sine a over a equals sine b over b equal sine c over c. So just need to reorder, just need to like that, go down here, just need to reorder that sine b goes to left of the sign and sine c goes to right of the equal sign, I mean. So sine b goes to left of the equal sign and sine c over c goes to right of the right side of the equal sign. So it will go like this. So now you're done, and that's the how to prove the sine a over a is equal sine b over b is equal sine c over c using two triangles. The first triangle is like this. So let I make a triangle. The first triangle that we use, this is the A side, this the A angle, this is B the angle, this is the C angle, and you remember that this is the C, this C. Oh, where's the font, the script. So this is the C side and this is the A side that call name, that have name A, and this is the B side, and this is the first triangle. This is our first triangle. And this is the second triangle, our second triangle, like that. So this is the final result. Final result of proving. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would like to say thank you.